Making quilts is a lot easier than making videos. I've been having a terrible time. First of all, Final Cut, that's what I usually use, started crashing every time I tried to capture from my camera. That's now been going on. I'm stuck with that. Okay, so I switched over to Premiere, something I don't really know very well, and I was able to make a couple of videos on Premiere. Then suddenly it stopped accepting my camera. But you guys, you're waiting for the daily fix, right? So I thought, now what? Okay, so I went to iMovie. So now I'm still stuck with iMovie. And I'm sure it's better than I'm making use of it. I don't know it all that well. I certainly can't do anything fancy. I can barely trim a clip. And you Facebook people, that's why you're not seeing videos made directly exported to you. Because when I try to export to Facebook, I get a notice, oh, it's such a good new notice from iMovie. It says, your video has been accepted on Facebook. I've done that 5 or 6 times. It never is. So I think that problem's with Facebook. But someday I'll get my computer doctor here, and he's going to fix everything. In the meantime, thank you. I know if you're a Facebook devotee and don't ever look at YouTube, it feels kind of like you're slumming, like you have to look at something on YouTube, but that's how it is. So thanks for hanging with me, and it's probably going to be like that for the duration of this quilt. Okay, it's moving along here.